Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable ad blocker in Google Chrome PC and laptop. Now this is the easiest way in order for you to get this done. You remember a few months ago that we've been experiencing problem with ad blocker. Google Chrome actually has integrated one of their own. I'm going to show you how to disable them if you're having a problem. So first things first, I want you to head over to this three dots here, and we're just going to go ahead and open the settings. Now that we have opened the settings, we're going to head over to privacy and security, and then we're going to go ahead and look for the site settings down below. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and scroll down again. You should see an option here. It says pop-ups and redirects. Go ahead and open that one. And then from here, you're going to choose the first option. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. I'm going to go ahead and close this, and then we can choose additional content settings. Scroll down and we should be able to see the intrusive ads here. Click this one and choose the first option right here, and then I want you to close this once again. So from this point forward, I want you to close this because it automatically saves it for you, and then start exploring Google or whatever website you're aiming. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. Thank you for watching and have a great day.